Hello and welcome to Lesson 11. In this lesson you'll be learning three very simple songs, but you'll be playing them in different keys than what they are usually played in. Row, Row, Row Your Boat is in the key of E flat. When the Saints Go Marching In is in the key of D flat. And Clementine is in the key of E. This lesson will allow you to play simple songs using some of the more obscure, less used chords. Now, you will see these obscure chords from time to time. So the best way to stay up on these chords is by using them in very easy to play songs, like the three songs in this lesson. Okay, here's Row, Row, Row Your Boat in the key of E flat. The two chords are E flat, which is E flat, G, and B flat, and B flat 7, actually the B flat 7 shortcut, which is D, A flat, and B flat. Now remember, you can write the chord notes above the chord symbols to help you find the notes of each chord quicker. Now I know some students think this is cheating in some way, but it actually speeds up the learning process. Okay, here's Row, Row, Row Your Boat in the key of E flat. Now if you start with your thumb on E flat and just cover all the keys, E flat, F, G, A flat, and B flat, you'll be able to play through the first four measures without moving your hand out of this position. So here's the first four measures, just the melody, to Row, Row, Row Your Boat. By the way, those first four measures, actually the first six measures, you're going to play the E flat chord. Okay, so there is no chord change in those first six measures. Here we go. Now, when we get to measure 5, we're just going to move our pinky up to the E flat. So here's the high E flat. 3 B flats with your third finger. Your thumb is right over the G, so your thumb on those 3 Gs. And then just bring your second finger over for those 3 low E flats. Now your pinky is going to land right there on the B flat, and you're just going to run down those 5 original notes. Let me do that again. Okay, here's Row, Row, Row Your Boat with the chords. Let me do it one more time. Okay, here's the chords for When the Saints Go Marching In. The three chords are D flat major, which is D flat, F, and A flat. The shortcut to A flat 7, which is C, G flat, and A flat. And G flat major, which is G flat, B flat, and D flat. The G flat major chord is all black keys. Once again, write the chord notes above the chord symbols to help you find the notes of each chord quicker. Okay, here's the melody to When the Saints Go Marching In. Now, there's only 5 notes in When the Saints Go Marching In, so if you get your thumb on D flat and cover the E flat, the F, the G flat, and the A flat, you've got the entire song covered. You will not have to move out of this hand position. Okay, here is the melody to When the Saints Go Marching In. Okay, here's When the Saints Go Marching In with the chords. Okay, here's the chords for Clementine. The 2 chords are E major, which is E, G sharp, and B, and B major, which is B, D sharp, and F sharp. Okay, here's the melody to Clementine. We'll start with our 3rd finger on the E. Move your 3rd finger up to that G sharp. Now we're going to move our 4th finger on the G sharp here. Reason being, we want to be able to reach this low B. Let me do that again, just the melody. Okay, here's Clementine with both hands together. Now, this first E chord, when you play that 2nd melody note, you're already playing the top note of the chord is that 2nd melody note there. So what you want to do is you can either play just the E and the G sharp, the bottom 2 notes of the E chord. That way your thumb isn't even in the way, or you can play the full chord and then get your thumb out of the way and get your right hand thumb in there to play that B melody note. You can do it either way. one more time. Okay, well, you're almost finished. In lesson 12, I cover all the major, minor, and seventh chords, providing a few exercises to help you stay up on all 36 chords. Okay, have fun, and I'll see you in lesson 12.